Hello and welcome to BISP Solution. So here we are going to continue our Oracle Fusion Financial session. So in the previous session we have seen how to upload the rapid implementation sheet, and we have also seen how to upload the chart of accounts and the ledger entities. So in the previous session we have seen an error comes up while we are uploading the chart of accounts and the legal entities and the business units. Okay, so here what happens, so let's go and see whether it has been uploaded or not. So so from here, under the tools, under the scheduled process, we will go and see whether it is approved or not. So we will just give a new process that we will see the process of the report. So the name of that process is, we have also seen, let's see it again. We will type enterprise and click on the tab button, and we'll see this enterprise structure setup report. In this report we will be able to see that a chart of accounts or the legal entity or the business units has been uploaded or not. So we have given the chart of accounts naming PRA. Okay, let's see whether it has been uploaded or not. We will submit it, and remember this, the confirmation number is 756. So here we will see. Okay, so in this we will be able to see whether it has been uploaded or not. Let that that status will be succeeded, so we will continue more. Okay, let's go. See, here you can see the status has been succeeded. We are going to see the report. Okay, whether every we will click to republish. We will have to click on the republish. Under that Google sign to see the report. Okay, here you can see the report whether it is completed. Here we will see that the chart of accounts, the segments, value sets, and there's particular segment along with the set values has been imported successfully, and we'll drag down this, and we'll see that that the ledger, the legal entities, and the business and a business unit has been uploaded successfully. So we can upload this rapid implementation without a implementation program or without creating a user. After that, uploading this rapid implementation sheet, we will assign to particular user, and we'll see. Let's go and see how to assign. Okay, we can search it. Okay, we can search it without our implementation projects, but we will search on the search menu. We will go on the search menu, and we click chart of accounts. Okay, here the chart of accounts, we know where I have to go. Okay, again, chart of accounts, value sets. Okay, here we will see manage chart of accounts value sets. Okay, oh no, again the site has been become slow. Okay, let's open the duplicate. Let's open up here. Okay, let's open up here. So here it is. Okay, so here again we will go to setup and maintenance, and under this setup and maintenance we'll go to the search option from the task list, and we will see whether our chart of accounts, let's go and search it. Chart of accounts value sets. Okay, we will click on manage chart of accounts value sets, and here we want to search it PRA. Okay, okay, we'll go to the chart of accounts again here. Okay, click chart of accounts. You can see that. Okay, when you click on the PRA searching, here you will see that all the things has been uploaded here to the rapid implementation sheet. We can cancel it. So now we want to assign this rapid implementation project to a implementation project. So again, from here, settings and actions, we will go under the setup and maintenance, and we go to a project where we have been created. So we click manage implementation, and we will go to a implementations. Okay, here we can see the chart of accounts. Okay, see the chart of accounts here. Here we go and see manage chart of accounts structures. Okay, so the first thing we will go and check whether it's been uploaded or not. We will go to again we will see manage chart of accounts value sets. Okay, okay, let's see why it is not opening. Okay, we will go and see. Let's cancel it, and we'll see the manage chart of accounts structures. Okay, again search it. Here you can see the general ledger. Again, when you search it manage chart of accounts and you search, let's go and search PRA. Okay, here you can see that we have created manage key flex field structure. It has already been created through the rapid implementation. When you click on the add icon, and you can see all the segments and all the keys flex field structure has been created. If you want to edit, you can just go and edit it. Okay, from here. Okay, you can see the segment name, and all it is all have been uploaded here. Okay, we can cancel it and we go. Let's go and check the next step, that is manage structure instances. Again, from here you will be able to see here you can see all is just edited. Okay, as you can see, all it is automatically through the rapid implementation. It is recorded like it is required, displayed, BI enabled, and everything has been done through the rapid implementation. Okay, so we don't have to assign anything. Click just done, and we come out of this. Okay, and now we will see manage chart of accounts value sets. We will see whether the value sets has been created or not. But here now, here this you can see company PRA. Here you click on manage values and search down. You will be able to see that all the value sets we have created, it's all uploaded here through this rapid implementation. So we don't have to need to upload it one by one. Okay, so we can just upload it through the rapid implementation sheet. Okay, again we will see next all the value sets whether it has been uploaded or not. The next is the department. Okay, you can see the department PRA. When we click on the manage values and on the search options, you will see here all the department has been come up here. Okay, So let's cancel it and move again, and we will see. Okay, so now this is all has been done. So the thing has not been done is the primary ledger. Let's see the primary ledger has been assigned or not. Again, to the our implementation project, we can just search it through there as well. Okay, primary ledger. Okay, again we see on the manage primary ledger, and we will search a primary ledger. Here you can see a primary ledger has been created. Okay, so we want to assign that primary ledger to a user and to the to a implementation project. We will go first to our implementation projects. Okay, you can go there and we can announce it, but it is easy to come up to go from this task menu. Okay, in the manage primary ledger, okay, we can assign it. Okay, here we'll go to the task, and we search PRA, and you can see it. Okay, we can just done and move forward. Okay, so now again the next step is that to specify the ledger options. Already we have created the primary ledger. We have to just select it and assign to this particular user, or to this particular implementation program. Okay, here you can search it PRA and all the things. We can just click on that and save and close to assign this PL to this user. Okay, here you can see the retained earnings account is automatically come up, journal language, all the setup we were doing manually is being done by the himself by the rapid implementation sheet. Okay, so we click save and close, and the next to review, we have to see the review and configuration as well. You can see that it is already been selected because of the legal entity we have just assigned it. We just click submit, and the review and submit accounting configuration assigned to this primary ledger. Okay, so now what we have to see, now the next step is come about the legal address and the business unit. Let's see whether it has been assigned. We have to assign this. Okay, we'll just go to the manage legal addresses and see. Okay, first we'll go to the manage legal address, where we have already given the legal address. Okay, here you can see if you want to edit some address has been changed, we can just click on the pencil icon and can be added by through. Okay, so now we will see our next is the legal entity. Okay, we have created the legal entity. Let's see the legal entity here. Okay, again from here on the manage legal entity, we will go and select the manage legal entity. Again, we have already created the legal entity. We'll just apply and go to task and search a legal entity. Okay, from this list we have to search a legal entity. You can see that a PRA US legal entity has been there. You have to select it and add, click save and close. Okay, so you can see this is all we have to do manually, but it has been done through the rapid implementation sheet. Okay, we click save and close. We have to do the assign work only after importing the rapid implementation sheet. Okay, so after that we have to assign the legal entity to the primary ledger. Okay, we will just go and search the task assign legal entities. Okay, so click on legal entities and we will assign the legal entities here. Okay, it is already been selected, so we just click save and close. Okay, save and close. From here we have to search it again and again, like we have to search this like PRA. So it has been already selected, so if you just click the legal entities has been already been selected, and we have to just assign it, and we click save and close. Then we have to assign the balancing segment to legal entities. Okay, click and you can see the you can see the segment values is already assigned, okay, to this legal entities already. So we just don't have to see it. I'm just showing that all the setups, all the configurations we have done through manually, it can be done by the rapid implementation. And so I have to explain you how to do the manually configuration, and after that I am explaining to this because when you receive the bulk of data, and it saves your time and resource. So if you enter those bulk data one by one, it takes a lot of time, so it is of no use of this application. That's why it has Oracle provided us the spreadsheet, so we can upload this through the spreadsheet. Okay, 7 close. So now next is to assign the roles. We haven't assigned the roles, so we have to assign the roles to move forward. Okay, so we have to assign the roles. We can assign that roles to the user, and after that we will create the general creation. So without assigning, it will be difficult for us to assign the. So we will go and assign the GL roles to this user. Okay, it will be done from here. Again, under the tools and security console, those who have not seen this previous sessions of how to assign the roles, you can go through it. Okay, from this user we will just search a user. See, okay, we add the role. Okay, we assign the general accounting manager role. We will assign the general accountant here. Again, we will assign the chief financial officer. Okay, we will assign the controller. Okay, the last is financial analyst. Okay, we will assign these roles to there. Okay, again you can see we have assigned this role. Okay, we click save and close. And now what we will do, a next step, if you have remember, the next step is to go to the data access for users. So again we will go to a implementation project. Sorry, so we will go to our implementation project and search data access use for users. Okay, okay, we will go to manage data access for users. Again, manage users, you all have been seen how to assign this role. Okay, sorry, we'll go to the actions. Okay, we will assign the data access rules to this. Okay, we will just assign all the 5 roles to this user. Okay, we assign the 5 roles to this user. Click done, and we go to the schedule process to synchronize the changes. We'll just synchronize these changes, and now after that we will see why we have given this user these roles, because after that we have to see the general accounting options, so we can go and see the open periods and we able to see the GL. Okay, how to record, so we have to give the this options to this user. Okay, so let's see if the status was changed, so the status can be changed, and we let's log out and log in. Here you can see, okay, the synchronization has been done. So now we be able to access the general accounting option. So under that we will choose the period close, and when we go on the period close, you can see the GL has been already open, as we have seen doing through manually. Okay, we'll create this. Okay, we have to do this as well. Okay, okay, let's open this GL period. Okay, soon we will see how to close this. Okay, we will click on open target to July 2024, open up and click yes. Okay, so this has been done. So now the next step, we have to see the business unit. Okay, or whether a business unit, before that we have to see the location of the business unit. In this, let's go to the settings and setups and maintenance. Okay, in this we will go to a project. We can go without. Okay, first we will go and see the our implementation project, and we will just type manage location. Okay, okay, here in this while doing the rapid implementation sheet, we have to provide the location. Okay, here you can see the location has not been comes up here. Okay, okay, we have to create a we have to create a location before creating a business unit. As we can see, the business unit has been already just uploaded. We have to give the address to the business unit. Okay, we just created. We will just give the name PRA location. Okay, after giving the PRA location, here we have to give the address. Okay, so let's go and record all the I have just okay. Okay, so after giving this, we will just submitted. Okay, so here we have created a location. Okay, so now we have to assign this location to a business unit that we have been imported through our rapid implementation sheet. Okay, we click yes, and okay, our request has been submitted. We click on OK and search this, and our location has been created. After done, we will go and again in the now we will search manage business unit. Okay, here in the manage business unit we will go and click manage business unit, and we will search a business unit that we have been created. Here we click, you can see a business unit has been already created, so we don't need to create a business unit. Okay, here the location, we have to provide the location that we have created. Okay, we will give the PRA and we will give a location to this. Okay, here we have provided and save and close. Okay, we have assigned the business unit a business location that we have been created. Again, we have to assign the business unit to business functions. What happens, as we already know, we have to just assign it. We have to assign it. All business unit and things have been created, we just have to assign this. Again, we are doing the same activity, but we are doing through rapid implementation sheet. Okay, here you can see it has been already been selected, enabled, I mean to say, as we were doing this through the manually enabling, it is already enabled automatically. Okay, we will just save and close, and you can see as we have created everything. Okay, so now the next step is to create the LDG to this user, because through rapid implementation session we will not be able to create this. Okay, so again we will go first to create a legislative data group. Okay, again on the search option we have to go to create the legislative data group, because legislative data group is not a project part. Okay, oh sorry, we create on the search option and search legislative data group. Okay, we will create a legislative data group here. Okay, then we submit it. Okay, after that we will assign this LDG to a legal entity. Okay, click done. Okay, from here we can go to the legal entity as well. If it can be done from here. Okay, here in the manage legal entity, let's go through a search. Here it is not searching the HCM information. Okay, here manage legal entity HCM information. Here we have already created the legal entity, we can create it from there. Okay, let's search again on the setup and maintenance. We will go to a project. Okay, we will go to a manage again we will clear legal entity, and okay, we search a legal entity, and here manage legal entity, and it will show you manage legal entity HCM information. We will just click on here, and we put the update, and we just update our LDG to this legal entity. Okay, Okay, we'll all these structures we have done already, but I have saying what else of what the configuration we have to do and what configuration we don't have to do while after doing the rapid implementation. Okay, we'll just click on submit. Okay, okay, and we can done it. Okay, now we will create the manage user, that we will provide the employee user to the this user. Okay, we'll just go to the manage user. Again, from here manage users, we will create a employee user here. Okay, okay, and we will going to link that. Okay, person type is of employee. Okay, we link to this to this user. Okay, and we click save and close. So we assign this user to this. So this is the steps we have done it. So in today's session we have just completed a common GL, all the workings, creating the chart of accounts, structures, key flex field, segment, the primary ledger, the business units, all the LGDV is related to the GL. So from the next sessions we are going to do about the accounts payable configuration, how we will do to for the supplier. Okay, as we have already done in the last session about the P2P cycle, so how will it will be doing through this we will do. Okay, we will do through the transaction to the Oracle Fusion Financial. So thank you for joining this session, and we will see in the next session. Thank you.